Hello everyone. In this video, I will demonstrate how to create and configure a virtual environment by setting up a virtual machine using Oracle VirtualBox and installing Windows Server inside it. I will also explain how virtualization works and how Windows runs within a virtual environment. First, let us talk about installing Oracle VirtualBox. I will start by opening a web browser and searching for the official Oracle VirtualBox website. Here is the link of the site. From there, you need to choose the version that matches the operating system your device is using, such as Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Once selected, the installer file will automatically download. From this demonstration, I have already downloaded the installer, so I will be pausing this one. For this part, open a web browser. Follow the link in the video since it will take you directly to the page to download Windows Server 2016. I choose 2016 because it is stable and widely used for learning Windows Server. Next, I will select the English version, and the ISO will start downloading. For this video, I have already downloaded the ISO, so I will pause the download process. This ISO contains all the installation files needed for the virtual machine. Now I will create a new virtual machine. Since I have already installed an Ubuntu OS on my VirtualBox, to create a new VM, I will first click Tools and then select New. For the name, I will type Windows 2016. Next, I will select the ISO file we downloaded earlier. Next, click Edition and then choose Standard Desktop Experience. After that, click Skip and then Next. For the configuration of the memory, I will allocate 4,596 MB and 3 CPU per processor. Then click Next. Next. Then Finish. Now I will start the virtual machine. I will select the virtual machine and click Start. The Windows setup screen will now appear. Set the language, time, and currency format and keyboard or input method. Then click Next. Then click Install Now. Now, Windows Server will begin installing inside the virtual machine. At this stage, the installer is copying files, installing system features, and preparing virtual hardware required by Windows Server. This process may take several minutes, depending on the system's performance and resources allocated to the virtual machine. While the installation is running, VirtualBox is allocating CPU, memory, and disk resources from the host machine to the virtual environment. This allows Windows Server to install as if it were running on a physical computer. Once the installation is complete, the virtual machine will automatically restart and Windows Server will proceed to the initial setup screen. Finally, the Windows Server is now installed inside the virtual machine. From this part, we will go to Input, select Keyboard, and then select Ctrl Alt Delete. Now input the password. Now inside the virtual Windows server, I can go to File Explorer and check everything inside it. I can also search a notepad and use it. In summary, the physical host machine runs the host operating system, which then uses Oracle VirtualBox as the hypervisor to create and manage virtual machines. Before the virtual machine runs, the system checks whether the configuration is correct, including the allocated CPU, memory, and storage. If the configuration is not sufficient, adjustments are made to ensure proper performance. Once everything is properly configured, the virtual machine is provided with virtual hardware resources, allowing Windows Server 2016 to run smoothly inside the virtual environment as if it were installed on a physical server.